Hello beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. If today's your first time tuning in, thank you so much for clicking. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos again. My name is Olajumoke, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you some tropical whitening tube cream that is very good and not harsh, though they are steriod, globalizone 0.05%. You know, it is good for promixing and all of that. So I'm going to be showing you the cream and how to use it and what it goes with. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into the video. So the first thing I'll be talking about is I hope you can see. Oh, I hope you can see it. This is 3 betel cream. So this cream is very good. It contains 0.05 globalizone. It's an antifungal cream. It works well with face cream. With your face cream, it works well in anti-acne cream. It works well in anti-pimples cream. Okay, and also you can include it in your body cream. It's just an anti-reaction cream. Okay, so it is safe for the skin. Though it is steriod, but it is not harsh. Okay, it is not harsh. So the next cream I'm going to be showing you is Fashion Fair. Oh my god, oh my goodness, I hope you can see it. I hope you can see it. I don't know, I hope you guys can see it now. I hope you can see. So it is Fashion Fair. So this cream is very good, though it is in 2 forms. This is the cream and this is the gel. You can see it like so. Yes, this is the cream and this is the gel. This is the gel, rather, sorry. So I hope you can see me. Guys, I'm just tired. Like, I'm tired. I did plan to do this video. As you can see, my face, something happened, but not now. I'm going to tell you later. Okay, so that's it. So it comes in gel and in cream. So I don't advise people using gel because it tends to work very, very fast. Me, I do not use it. I don't like using gel. I don't like it because it tends to work very fast, and later you will start to see the reaction on your skin. When you see faces that are, you know, you will see red faces, you know, you see them, like the sunburn self, it won't be dark, that one will be red. You know, they tend to use gel cream, which is not that good, but if you feel like using it, that's your choice. Okay, that is your choice. But they also contain 0.05 globalizone, so it is good when you mix it with your cream base. Don't apply this on your skin directly. Okay, do not apply it on your skin directly. Okay, so it is good by, you know, promixing it. When you promix it, it goes with cream base. It works well when you promix it. So that is it for this. And the next one I'm going to be showing you is head guard. I hope you can see. Head guard tube cream. I hope you can see it. So this cream also contains 0.05% globalizone. It is an anti-spot and anti-stretch mark cream, and it is good when you promix it. When you mix it with a cream base, it is good. And it is very active. When you have a cream base, you put it. It is meant for your body cream, not for face. Okay, you can promix it with your body cream, not for face. So I have this Kojic Clear. I actually have like 2 Kojic Clear Now, this is Grace Action Kojic Clear. I hope you guys can see. I hope you guys can see it. And this is Fast Action. I hope you can see it. This is Fast Action Kojic Clear. These tubes are very active when you want to fade maybe your legs. When your legs are darker, this is good for cream promixing for your leg cream. This one is good when you promix it with other tube cream. I'm still going to show you. When you promix it with this and you had miracle powder, this works well for dark knuckle. Okay, so I use this for dark knuckle promixing. This Kojic Clear. Okay, it is very good, it is very active, and it is not an ash, ash tube cream, and it is good when you promix it. Do not use it alone. Okay, if you really want it to work very well and see the action very fast, don't use it alone. So moving on, this is Pata Pata tube cream. This also contains 0.05 globetazone. It is also good for cream promixing. As I've shown you earlier, I use this for in my knuckle cream. Okay, so when mixing my knuckle cream, this is what I use. It is very active. It does not spoil the skin. Okay, so don't use it alone on your skin. Okay, do not use it alone. So these tube creams are tropical creams that I use, that I can recommend for you. So the next one is, can you see? Apple Vet Lightning Cream. This Apple Vet Lightning Cream is only good for your face cream. You can use it alone on your face, and you can also promix it in your face cream. You can also put it in your acne cream, your pimples cream, your sunburn cream, because it tends to clear sunburn. Okay, so it is only meant for the face. Okay, for the face, not for body. This is a face cream. I hope you are hearing me. This is a face cream. Okay, so when you're doing your face cream, your pimples, anti-pimples cream, anti-acne, sunburn, if you want to do a sunburn cream or a whitening face cream, feel free to add this cream. It also contains globetazone 0.05%. Okay, so moving on. This is Miracle Derm. It's a whitening cream, and it is also an anti-eczema, anti-stretch marks, anti-eczema and anti-stretch marks cream. It also contains globetazone 0.05%. This is good in your body lotion. Miracle Derm is best used when you promix it. When you use it alone, it's just a waste of money. Okay, do not apply it directly to your skin. If you want it to work better and good on your skin, please try as much as possible to promix it. Have a base cream before adding it, then mix it together, and trust me, you're gonna see a good result. So moving on, this is Clean Cap. This is Clean Cap. This is an anti-pimples and acne cream. Okay, when you are doing an anti-pimples cream, anti-acne cream, even your face cream, you should use it because it's an anti-reaction cream. It works well for the facial cream, and it's always, you should always use it with a base. Have a base cream to mix it. Do not use it directly on your face. Okay, so there's the most importantly, my Bay, my Bay tube cream, Amos White. I don't have it here, but I'm going to leave the picture here. This cream is my Bay. I love it so much because of the effects, because it is so good. I love it. That is my baby, tube cream. So this cream is very, very effective. It also contains globetazone 0.05%. It will whiten your skin. It works well when you promix it. When you have a 500 ml cream, just add three tube. The cream, okay, cream. I told you I don't like using gel because I don't like the effect, but when you use the cream, oh my god, you're gonna see this glowing. This Amos White is a Bay. Okay, so Moving on, there's glutathione injection, glutathione injection tube cream. This also work with cream promixing. It is very good. I'm going to leave the picture here. I don't have it here right now, so I'm going to leave the picture here. It is also good. It is good when you promix it. Do not use it directly on your skin. They are steriod, so it is far better to mix it in your cream. And all this tube cream I just mentioned for you, they are super good. They are super safe on your skin. Okay, they are super safe when you use it as prescribed. Officer Pamela, but I shall say it, I remember. So it is good and it will be perfect on your skin when you use it as prescribed. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy this little time we spent together. I hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do, please hit the like button right now. Click on the subscribe button and don't forget to share this video. Okay, guys, we are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for always supporting me. You guys, you know, you are a bomb. Like, you are, you don't know, you all are my sweethearts, my sweet potato. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.